Hello guys, I welcome you guys to my channel, Let's Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can create a simple professional logo using your corelDRAW from Circle without any stress. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video from beginning to the end and see how you can create a perfect professional logo from your Circle in corelDRAW. So with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial and see how you get it done. But before I get to the tutorial started, if you are very new to this channel, please remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so whenever I upload content about Corel tutorial, you get notified and you watch the video. And lastly but not least, if you have any question for me as far as this tutorial is concerned, you can put your question in the comment section down below. So with that being said, let's get started. So first thing first, you have to, let me take this to one side. Sorry. So let me take this to one side and then we'll start afresh. First thing first, you have to go to your toolbar and select your Eclipse tool. And then press down Ctrl key and create a perfect circle. Okay. So having created a perfect circle, next thing you have to do is to make sure you make a duplicate of this circle. Just press Ctrl D on your keyboard and then you can just take it to one side like this. Then you have to press Shift key and select the original shape and then press E on your keyboard. This allows you to align this particular shape into vertical center. So with that, you can select everything again and make sure you go to your back to your toolbar here and then look for virtual segment delete from your crop tools. You're going to have that. Then you have to delete all this angle. So once you delete, you are going to be left with this one right here. You can press B to central. Oh, sorry for the stuff. So you're going to have stuff like this. So one thing you need to do is to blend it all together with this particular shape right here. So for you to do that, you have to come to your blend tool and then make sure you select your blend tools. Then make sure you blend them all together. So you're going to have stuff like this. Then you can control your blend width and the stroke from this point here and see if you are not satisfied with this format. But I think I'm satisfied with the 20. Okay, let's see 22. So you can control your blend as the case may be. Once you are able to get to this point, select everything again. And then when you select everything, you have to make a duplicate, of course. So for you to do that, just press Ctrl D on your keyboard. So when you make a duplicate, you have to click once to bring out the rotation pin. Once you are able to have a rotation pin, you have to rotate and make sure you rotate in the right way. Then once you rotate, you can snap to this particular shape right here. So we still have to rotate more. Make sure it's snap. So we still have to rotate more. Okay, so once you are able to get to this point, the next thing you have to do is to select this, press Shift key and select the second shape, and then you have to go to your toolbar right here, make a group. So once you are able to group them together, you have to go to Home tab here, click on Edit, and then make a copy, and go back to Edit again and paste. Then the duplicate one now you have to rotate to mirror vertical and mirror horizontal. Good. So with your bottom arrow key, just tap from your arrow key down to the bottom like this. And make sure it snaps to the shape. Control minus to zoom in, Control minus to zoom in. Now you can select everything now and go to Objects and Group Objects. Once you are able to group, then you can click once again to bring out your rotation pane. You can press down Control key and rotate to 60 degree, just like what you see right here. Or you can as well rotate to 90 degree. Everything depends on how you want your rotation to be. Or as the case may be, I prefer to have it in 60 degree rotation. Then you can as well press P to centralize. You can change the color to whatever color of your choice. So for you to do that, you have to right click on the color, and each time you are right clicking on the color, it become update automatically into the shape. So this is how you can create a professional logo using your corelDRAW from Circle without any strain. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tutorial like this. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.